welcome to another episode of Series TV, Gardens of India in Texas. Here today we are covering Neeraja and Vikram's yard and their garden. They have a lot of lovely fruits and a lot of special variety of fruits that we rarely see in Texas. And they have a lot of vegetables, and they have also done a special kind of irrigation technique and trellis for their vegetable gardens, which is a very cool thing to see. I hope you will see that and get inspired and be prepared for your upcoming vegetable season in February. So you get enough time. I wanted to cover their irrigation and the trellis part so that you have enough time to do it at home and prepare well for the next season. So today we are covering Neeraja and Vikram's yard, and their two kids also help very much with the gardening and taking care of the vegetables. So I hope you get inspired by looking at our videos. Here we have Neeraja. Hi Neeraja, how are you?
Hello viewers. Hi Sirisha.
Thank you so much for letting us come in today to showcase your yard. And Neeraja's specialty is, like I mentioned, a lot of things. I have here fruits and vegetables and her trellis and irrigations that she's going to talk about. So, and here she has specific her favorite plant that I would say, and a very interesting plant. So Neeraja, if you can talk a little bit about how you got into gardening and what's your special interest, what's your motivation to continue doing it, and what makes you come into the yard every day?
I would say that I was an urban girl. I grew up in city. We have no farming background, but my mom was very passionate about growing some fruits and veggies in within the city. With a little water, what you can do, how do you grow, so that you can sustain. That was the motto that my mom had, and that's how I wanted to have a yard. And I'm very passionate about fruits and veggies.
Excellent. So where in India? Where back home? Where are you from?
We are from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Excellent. Excellent.
And back in in 80s and 90s, we had a lot of water issues within the city, and
Yes.
so back in 1980s and 1990s, if anybody lived in Hyderabad, they would know that water was a big scarcity
Yes,
resource.
exactly.
And we hardly had water to drink and bathe and do the
Yes.
basic things. So what we used to do back in those days is whatever the wastewater, we would just make sure that those are all went to the plants, and that's how we survived within that period of time. But that really made me feel that natural resources are something
the
that
best things to
the
use.
best things to use.
Excellent.
And what plants need is more sunlight. Not always about water, because
Yeah, it's
they
not
get a
always
lot
water.
about the rains, and
Yes.
they can reserve a lot of water consumption that in the ground.
Excellent.
So that's where my passion is, and I love flowers, fruits, veggies.
Veggies. That's good. So how long have you been? I think you've been here almost 10 years in this neighborhood, right?
Yeah, and initially my kids were very young, and I was having hard time, to think about. I had a big dreams about garden, but I could not do much. Then 6 years ago, I just decided that I need good fruit trees, because all the time we eat a lot of fruit, but we always buy it. And at least during season time, I wanted to have
Good fruit.
So that's how we started. And my passion is you can see a Chardonnay grape plant that it just grew into a big vine. So
I see that. So
built.
it's like, how many plants are in this?
It's just
vine
one plant, but
One plant?
you can see it just grew so big. You can see the root. It's just a 4-year-old plant, and for North Texas, especially in Dallas
It's not
area,
a common thing. Actually.
it actually survives the winter. So that's one good thing. All you need to do is just when the season is fall season is about to end, before winter, you just trim
Trim it, all of
everything,
it.
and
Excellent.
that's about it.
So
And it's a pretty big bush, but
This one is a Chardonnay grape. That's not a Texas variety, but it is a California variety, I would say.
Yeah.
So that's why when I said there is this plant That is very specific. If you see, this is one plant up here, and yeah, they are the grapes that they are showing. They have harvested quite a few, but this is I'm coming very late into the season.
Third crop.
This
in
is the third
season.
crop in
Yes,
the season.
in
So
the
how
season.
sweet are the grapes? Are
They're
they?
very sweet, but they're not seedless, unfortunately. But we still enjoy
So
it.
where did you get the plant from? Where did you get the plant from? Did you order it online or
We
somewhere?
actually got it on right on in McKinney. There's
McKinney,
a nursery on 380.
Excellent. So do you give any special fertilizer or anything for
No,
the grapes, or it's
most
just basic water and
basic
sunlight?
water, sunlight, and we have compost. We
Compost.
do at home, and we just try to
Try
give
to
it.
put it.
So,
Excellent.
and this is our blackberry, and right now you don't see much.
But you
well,
had
but,
a lot
you know,
of blackberries.
We had
I
a
see
lot
that. I
of
know. I saw a
blackberries,
bunch of
and
them.
they're very sweet. So they're very easy to maintain. All you need is it's a vine.
Yeah,
You
it
just
just
need to
keeps
tie
growing.
it, and you just keep growing.
Another one of the fruits, pomegranate. As you see, there are a lot of. How old is this plant, Neeraja?
They were all pretty much 4 years.
4 years
Old. But when we got them, they're of this
Is there a specific
height. This
variety?
height.
Oh, it's of that height. Excellent.
Yeah,
Now it's a huge tree.
Yeah, now it's huge. In 4 years, it grew pretty big.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I see that there are a lot of. But is this the harvest time or is it earlier or?
It is the harvest time.
Right now?
This is the second. I would say second time we're seeing more in this year. But yeah, we have been enjoying pomegranate quite a
Pomegranates.
bit.
We have here Neeraja's son Nandish. Nidish. Here Neeraja's son Nidish, who loves the yard, and he says he has some favorite ones, grapes and dosakais, and even birakai or just dosakai. Your favorite
both
ones.
of them.
Both of them. Hi Nidish, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Do you like your yard?
Yes.
What fruit do you have in your hand?
I've got a pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Did you just harvest it?
Yeah.
Do you
Just
think
a
it's
few
ripe?
seconds ago. Yes.
Are you ready to try
it's
it?
red.
Uh-huh.
It's a little yellow, so
You are
It's
willing to
still
try
okay.
it.
huh?
You're willing to try it is
After
what
my
you
mom cuts it in the kitchen.
After your mom cuts it, so you're learning how to cut them and try to eat them. Are you enjoying school now? It's online, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to share with the viewers?
Um,
All the young viewers like you?
all you really need to do is just sustain the plant and be careful whenever it's winter time. That's really all you need to do to
Excellent.
keep the plant alive.
So do you enjoy harvesting all the fruit and vegetables every day for your mom?
Yeah.
You do? You like it? Excellent. Will you grow your own plants when you grow older?
Probably.
Probably. Nice. I like that. Thank you. We have another fruit plant, a peach plant. Again, this is another 4-year-old. Did you get any harvest? Did you harvest any
We did
fruits?
get by February, by August we had lots
Lot
of
of them.
fruit.
Excellent.
Not
And this is
anymore
the
as
apple
of
one?
now. And this is peach.
Peach.
Yeah.
This is another peach, is it?
No, this is pear. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. I was thinking.
we
yeah.
had so many pears this year.
Awesome.
in
I
you
should have
know,
known it.
Yeah, there are a couple of them. You can
way
see.
up there.
on
Oh
the
yeah,
top.
yeah, on the top here.
Yeah.
Excellent. It's nice to see and find out if there are pears. But yeah, this is this a specific
They're
pear?
so sweet.
Very sweet pears.
Very sweet.
How old? Same 4 years old.
Yeah, they're all pretty much 4 years old. And this is our apple.
Apple. Excellent.
It's a gala.
Gala apple.
Yeah.
Very good.
We made chutneys out of
Chutneys
this.
out of it. Yeah.
And
These
right
are nice
now
sour apples though.
Yeah.
Nice. This is another 4-year-old. So it's not the season now. Is it season over?
Yeah, it's pretty much over. It
Is it
needs to be
in the-
cooler
Yeah.
to get apples.
Excellent.
So,
And this one over here.
and this is plum.
Plums.
Unfortunately, we haven't seen any
Any fruit
till
yet?
now. Yeah.
I think it will come. There's a season for this and all, right? Yeah. And she
Yeah.
has a banana plant, a small one over here, and palm trees. So you want to say something about this? Because it's very rare to find in Dallas.
Yeah, we
palms.
are very much we have a vision to have a lot of lighting, the rope lights for the plants. In the
okay.
future, one of the things is because for palm tree, it's really going to look really nice.
Nice, very good actually. The
That
whole
was the
background is lit.
really why, and you know it adds a good color,
Color
and
and-
you know it
The
basically
texturizes the-
survives
yes.
your winter.
It's
so
very
it's a very
good.
low maintenance
Yeah, and
plant, and it adds a lot of beauty
And when you
to
see
your
this
garden.
leaf, you remember how we used to play with it. And they use these leaves to actually roof their houses in India and in the small villages. They actually use these palm dates, basically that the not dates. I would say the leaves, basically. And if you see, it's very nice where it's very closely woven
it's a
such a
wind-
way so that
yeah.
it is good for roofing.
It's
but
a windmill for
plant.
palm.
Palm.
There are
Oh, it's a
multiple
windmill.
ones.
Excellent.
So this one is a windmill, and
And
this,
this is
my
a banana plant up
plant.
here, a huge
Yes.
one, not a small. I didn't even realize that she had this many banana plants over here. So
Yeah,
there are
it's
around 5 to
been
6.
Putting a lot of its children, babies. So
I need to get one from you then.
this is something that we pretty much enjoy over the weekend. We actually take the leaves and you know we try to eat in
Eating the
them.
leaves, excellent.
Um,
So how old is this plant?
this
4?
is also for
So yet to harvest a flower from this. I mean, basically bananas from this. So do you use the stem or anything in the curries, or just you just use
we
the leaves?
just use the leaves to eat,
To eat,
and you know most of the festivals we kind of try to use.
Very good,
Whoever
very good.
comes
She
and,
has
you know-
another palm tree over here, young one.
Yes, this is a 2-year-old.
So did you get it from a nursery, local nursery?
Yes, same
Excellent.
place pretty much most of my plants.
So thank you so much, Neerja, for letting us see your grapes and peaches and almost all the fruits you have. Is there any variety you don't have that you want to put more?
Haven't thought much.
Haven't thought much. Your
But,
packet seems
whatever,
full,
I
actually.
would want to have a guava, but unfortunately it won't survive the winter, so
Winters.
we haven't
Excellent.
really planned for that. So.
Thank you so much for letting us come in. And is there anything special you want to let our viewers know, especially the ones who are growing fruit and are eager to put them in the yard? Is there anything specific you want to tell our viewers?
I would say just take baby steps and you know make sure that you know you trim them. You know, we personally did. You know, we have a irrigation system that we put together so that you know we don't need to go and
So you don't need to water them regularly.
regularly.
Excellent.
But you know just basic things, trimming, making sure you go see the plant, you know, talk
Excellent.
to the tree, and you know make sure that you know they're
So
healthy.
you do talk to your plants?
Yes, we do.
Excellent. So we have another plant talker, I would say, not a talker, somebody who's maintained relationships with the plant. So like I've been saying, you have to treat them like your babies. That's where you will look at every leaf and the flower and the fruit. It's exciting to grow your own fruit, your own veggies, your own flowers. Like I was excited just today and I saw the Parijatam buds were coming. I said, finally you're here, right? So I was like as if my own baby is out, and it's interesting. So I'm glad you have this relationship, and I'm glad your kids are also with it, and your husband is also very much into it, because you said about the irrigation system. We're going to talk about it. So thank you so much for watching us. Like us and comment, and we are going to have another couple of episodes with Neerja on irrigation, trellis and vegetable garden. She has a lovely vegetable garden and a lot of flowers in the front yard. So her daughter's favorite is the front yard flowers, is what she said. So I'm going to do an episode with her too on the flowers and her favorite vegetables in this. Thank you so much for getting inspired. Grow your own vegetables, grow your fruit, and enjoy your garden. Thank you. So